So a quick analysis on Euro GBP. So before we get started, if you are yet to subscribe, if not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now let's start with the trend for this GBP JPY. We can see that the trend for this movement is an uptrend move. Like markets do give us three movements. Either it's giving us an uptrend move, or a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. Previously, prior to this movement that we are getting here, price is kind of giving us like a ranging market move. So you would see how I took this level. I have highlighted this level, which is up, and this level that I've highlighted down, which is down, right, which we will take as a support level, while this level up, which we will take as a resistance level. So price has always been ranging. Now you all know that once there's a breakout, either price breaks out of a resistance level or it breaks out of a support level, definitely price must give us a pullback to test that level, right? So we can see this movement similar, that like that movement here. So price was kind of like ranging within this level. Then we can now see price give us a breakout. Price have given us a breakout. Guess what we had next? Price now give us a pullback to test the same level. So what are we going to be expecting on Euro GBP? Definitely we'll be expecting a bullish move, right? Now let's take a look at it again on our index, because I want to actually understand this movement. So when you take a look at this US Euro index, you see that the trend is actually an uptrend move. So we should be expecting kind of like an uptrend move also on GBP, Euro GBP, sorry. So when you take a look at this, a pullback is being made. And this is why we are going to apply Fibonacci retracement tools. So there are two level price to actually give us a pullback it before it continues its uptrend move. One level is a level of 26, right? 23, okay, 23.6, right? One level is a level of 23.6, and the second level is a level of 38.2, right? That is the two level price we kind of like give us a pullback. Mostly it's that two level. Within these two level, price will hit within these two level, then continue its uptrend move. So eventually price gave us a pullback, will I drop? It's a level of 23.6. What do we now expect next? Of course, we will be expecting a further bullish move. You can clearly see it on the forward time frame. We should be expecting an uptrend move. So if this euro index or whatever will be giving us that bullish move, then I expect this euro to GBP actually to push up. By the way, we actually closed bearish today, which is for this third, which is second, which is on Tuesday. We actually, which is 3rd of January. We actually closed bearish on 3rd of January, which is on Tuesday, right? But when you take a look at the news that came out on our euro, it actually came out positive, though it has a little impact on euro. It came out positive, by the way, but we ended up closing bearish. And when you take a look at the news that's about Croatia adopting the euro as their new currency, of course, fundamentally, or when you take a look at them, when you listen to it, you would know that there will be there will be a demand for such currency, right? So we expect it to actually push up, but euro kind of drop. I believe that drop was made to actually take out a lot of traders. A lot of traders will be speculating a bullish move. So that move was made, to take out a lot of traders, which is fine. So after that, what do we expect? We are expecting a bullish move. So this euro GBP, let's see how we would get the bullish move for the next day.